In this video, we're going to talk about how synonyms can really help you to answer the questions on a reading comprehension test.
Synonyms. What are synonyms? Synonyms are words with similar meanings, and they are really helpful for getting high scores on reading texts. They're helpful because they help you see the connection between what's on the reading text and what's in the reading questions. So for example, large and big, two adjectives. They mean a similar type of thing. You might have a large event, you might have a big event. So a good way to see information which is on the question and related to what's in the reading text. Major and significant. There could be a major factor or a significant factor. And then if you're aware of your synonyms, then you can make that connection and answer the question correctly. Determined, dedicated. You might have a determined person or a dedicated individual. Once we read those words, we need to look, we need to scan the reading to try and find anything related to dedicated. If I know that dedicated and determined are synonyms, then I know that's the connection, that's where the answer is, and that's what I can do. I can focus on that to answer the question. Display and show, a couple of verbs. So display, you might display information, or you could show some data. So in the question it's asking you, what does the data show? And then in the reading it says, when we display information, it reveals. And so we know that that question is actually related to that area there. And finally, way and method. Both nouns, we might have a way of doing something, a method of approaching a problem, and then we know that, again, they are the same, referring to the same piece of information, which will help you answer the question. So, tip is, use synonyms to increase your reading score.